In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and apply a custom chart template in PowerPoint. Whether you're looking to maintain a consistent style across your presentations or simply want to save time, creating a custom chart template can be incredibly useful. So, let's get started. First, launch PowerPoint on your desktop. If you're already working on a presentation, great! If not, you can open an existing one or start a new presentation. Once you're set, the next step is to insert a chart. Go ahead and format it with the design elements that suit your preferences. Think about the colors, fonts, and styles you wish to include in your template. These design choices will form the basis of your custom chart template, so make sure they reflect the aesthetic you want to carry throughout your presentations. Now, once you've formatted your chart just the way you want it, click on the chart to select it. This action will bring up the Chart Tools tabs, providing you with a variety of options to fine-tune your chart. Head over to the Chart Design tab, a feature specially designed to help you customize your chart settings. Here, you'll want to look for the option labeled Change Chart Type. Clicking on this will present the opportunity to save your creation as a template. When prompted, enter a distinctive name for your template in the File Name box. This name will help you easily identify it later when you're ready to apply it to other charts. Once you've named your template, click Save. This action will store your template in a default location, making it accessible for use in both PowerPoint and Excel. Now, let's talk about applying your newly created custom chart template to another chart. Whenever you're ready to use your template, go to the Insert tab and click on Chart. In the Insert Chart dialog box, focus your attention on the left panel and select Templates. You'll see a gallery displaying any templates saved, including the custom chart template you just created. Scroll through and find your template, select it, and then click OK. Your new chart will now load with the exact formatting you created earlier, providing consistency and professionalism to your presentation in a fraction of the time. And there you have it, a complete guide to creating and applying a custom chart template in PowerPoint. By following these steps, not only do you save time, but you also ensure a polished look across all your presentations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.